Hey everybody, now how to find the inbuilt dictionary which are already available in the Kali Linux from the terminal. Open the root terminal or give the root permission to the simple terminal and search here locate rockyou and then press enter. So these are the dictionary which is already available in the Kali Linux in the full version. This is the really full version dictionary of the Kali Linux. If you type here cat and paste this one and then type pipe sign grep and wc then press enter. So these are the results. It are more than 1 crore and 45 lakh passwords. And if you type here cat this location and pipes and then don't type here grep and wc, just type here wc without grep, then it will be count the total password in this file for you. So these are the total password available in this rockyou.txt. And not just this one, you have many more txt file. And even if you type here the window icon and search here word lists, so these are the word lists which are available in your system in the full version of Kali Linux by default. Close this one, and that's it for this video.